y'all. This wig is giving me just a tad bit of the Oprah vibes. Like I feel like a talk show host with the sweater and the wig. Welcome to my channel.
This the way that we rock. I'm from the bottom, so I aim for the top. And you crazy in the mind if you think I'ma stop. And I'm young, black, and living, still dreaming a lot.
Extra, I know. Anyways, guys, welcome back to my channel. XO Sheba here. If you're new, hello, welcome to the XO Squad. Today is a wig review, and this wig is from Sensational. We gonna get into all the details right now. So when I first put it on, before I did a little bit of stuff to it, I actually didn't have to do that much to it. I was like, oh my god, what's going on? Whose grandma's wig did I just get? But I actually really like it. I like it way more than I thought I was going to. I was a little worried because I didn't know how this look was going to look on me. 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and you do have adjustable straps. And then as far as the cap size goes, it's a little snug, but it's not super tight, but it's snug to me right now, but it's not sliding back or anything like that on me, so it's all good. So far, not really experiencing any tangling or shedding. I just put, you know, enough concealer in the part to make it prominent, so you see that it's there, you know, you see that it's there. But you can plug it a little bit if you want to. It did come with some baby hair for you to already like manipulate and make it how you want it to look. Stop touching it, ruining the style. It did have lace in the front for you to cut off, so it's all good there. You can, like, you know, I didn't tack mine down because you can't see it, but you can go ahead and tack it down. You got enough lace going on to you know, handle the sides, so that's good. The length is clearly short. I'm wearing it in a 1B, and I'm just really loving the swoop here. It's really thick, you guys. Like, you are not gonna be disappointed with thickness. It's thicker on the top though. Like up in here, it's thicker than it is back here, but it's, you know, it's still all good. Who's housewife? Who's Black Joan Cleaver? So if you like to purchase this, I will link it down below. You already know it's in the description box for you guys. I got you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure your notifications are turned on, all that good stuff. Don't miss no uploads. Very fave. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.